The crochet boho dress trend in 2025 features oversized silhouettes, vibrant floral and geometric patterns, and lightweight fabrics perfect for warm weather. Nostalgic elements from the early 2000s, such as frills and frizz, add a playful touch to modern designs. Sustainability is key, with many brands focusing on eco-friendly materials, ensuring these style pieces are also environmentally conscious. Minimalist boho style are gaining popularity, blending vintage charm with contemporary elegance for versatile looks. As designers embrace this trend, the crochet boho dress is said to be a staple for fashion enthusiasts seeking comfort and style in 2025.